Hey everybody, it's just Mike here, getting ready to go on out and get a couple of videos and see if I can get some pictures out here. See what the rain brought us this morning and last night. We got a few tornadoes and everything here in San Antonio in the hill country. I'm just going to go out and check it out, see what I can get. I'll update you when I get there.
It's this high. This is higher than.
Look at all this, guys. This is from the rain, all the rain that we've been getting up here. This is the Guadalupe River. Take a look.
Well, let me show you now. So this is a river map. And so at the bridge, there's
It is about 20 to 30 feet high right now.
4 square cubic feet. It's going down. So you see the crest.